Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be playing Beast Simulator. I'm gonna try and make this like a series, but I haven't played this like event yet. So at least not on this account. I have played Beast lots of times, but so I actually know how it works and all. Oh no. We also really want to do Mother Bear's quest because if we get the star egg, star treat of the stuff, eventually that would be really handy. So I have all the codes. I hope they work. So I'll turn my volume down a bit because I don't play with headphones. So I actually haven't played this game like for so long. Get your first egg here? No. Wait, hold on. Where do you get your first egg? Oh wait, I have my first. Alright, let's just put it right there. Oh my god, you know Moby. Okay, so we need royal jellies. We need basically everything. So as sooner as we can get stuff, how better it would be. And I don't know why my backpack ain't filling up, but okay, now it works. Okay. Hold up the codes. Let's quickly fill the codes while my bee does everything. Okay, first code 3 Does it still work? Wait, hold up. Let me search up the codes real quick. Here, Beast Swarm Simulator Wiki. Okay, let's go. Yeah, it says R-E-E B V. You must join the group. Oh, okay. I'm gonna join the group. Real quick. Oh, why did I reset? Okay, it's okay. Guys, let's join the group real quick so we can have all the stuff. This is a new account. I just have random people added. I don't know. Yeah, I have 2 of my accounts and then a random account. I won't be helping myself, maybe like later on, but yeah, be some join group. Yay! This is my first group ever I'm in. Okay, but yes, this code, yeah. Beast Buzz, Clean Buzz. Marshmallow, one of those. I should be keeping that code. I should be, but it's all mountaintop. But where? I'll just redeem them. Oh my, okay, I'm getting so rich. 1, 5, members, 15 million members. Bro, all these things, no. Okay. this should be the code. Yeah, okay, it works. We have 38217. I don't know what I get from all of these things, so Bob Moss. I just have like a thing with like loads of random codes on it, so and the plan for this account is to get like loads of bumblebees, all those things, like help my other accounts get better. This one will help, yeah, 5k. Wax. I think this was it. I think those were all the codes I have, at least what I know of. Okay, so these codes will be wasted, but it's okay, bro. Look what I got. So many things. Oh, I've read red blue all of these. This is pretty OP. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty OP. I don't know what I should do first. I can craft a boost. The boost will help a bunch. I think I'll buy this, and then I'll buy. Yeah, that's it. What I can buy. This bouncer makes us a bit faster. If there's nothing, we need these royal jellies. That's +1 royal jelly. What is it not? No, it's on the other store. No, I cannot go there yet. I need 5. Yeah, we need 1k for this one. Royal jelly. A red bean. I don't know what I'm looking for, but this will help us for now, so no complaining, no complaining. Because I'm trying to get like loads of the fuzzy bees, tadpole bees, gummy bee. Looking at this other, oh wait, this point bee, fuzzy bee, point bee, gummy bee. Like loads of the bees that can help us like farm. So I'm mostly looking for those, but we should see what will come from it. So I'm gonna be making multiple episodes. I'll try and make every video like 1 or 2 hours if I have the time, or else like as long as possible, but no longer than 1 or 2 hours, because then it will be way too long. So I'll take that. 6 tickets. No worth it. No. Yo, where are you, B? B! Yo. B, yo, do something, B. 1 damage. 1 damage. 1 damage. Okay, I know that's not gonna work, man. I have a macro. I'm not wanting to use it, but if I have no other choice, I'll might be willing to use it. I don't really want it the most, so get this jelly, man. Give me the jelly. Give me the royal jelly. Yes! Yes, I got the royal jelly. Bang it. We need all the royal jelly. Wait, winter is still here for... Oh my... Oh! Wait, I can get... This is so handy. Wait. Oh. I wanna buy that. How long will it be here? March 31st. No. March 31st. March 31st. March 31st. Why to March 31st? Why can I not wait one day? Then I could buy it. Because at April 1st I can buy Robux again. But yeah, this video build would be really short, so because I have to go sport, so yeah, this boost will go and run out. But I would never be able to make it right now. Wait, cactus? No, no cactus. No, wait, is it bamboo? This bamboo. I just need 5 bees for that. I have 2 bees, but I gotta like go off soon, so but it's okay. It's okay. Couple bucks more. You do golf balls in the hole at the blue flower. Activate your targets with the golf ball. It ain't even nice to do these things. Oh, I cannot even activate the target. Oh my god, I can see all of the map. It is like, I don't know, man. What should I do? Because I gotta go like 5 or 10 minutes and I want to make as much progress as possible, so all new bee types so far, so that's good. A windy bee. Wait, that would help. Where's he going? He's going where? Please stay here somewhere. Please, he's going nowhere. Yes! I can do something with this. I actually can do something with this, can I can do something. I'm dealing literally 1 damage the whole time, but it is okay that I'm dealing misses. I don't know if I get anything for that. I don't think so. That's annoying. Bro, I'm hitting the targets. What does it count? Okay, I gotta go to Blackberry. Yeah, 3 to 2. We're gonna do the task. electric tutorial real quick, and then that would be it, I think, for this video. Save the rest for something else, because eventually it says level your piece up with this, so I don't want to make them already too high and or waste too much. So 5 treats, I have 7, that would be fine, I guess. We need. I'll make you better. 5 so now I'm basically trying to get as much mother bear tasks done so I can get the goodies as soon as possible. I have with feed 1, feed off 5, level 3, then it's level 4. Oh, that sucks. I can make. No, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, it's level 3. Feed 10 treats to your beast. Now I cannot do that, so I'll quickly collect that thing over there. There's nothing in there more than no of. Yeah, up there's Oreo jelly. Up there is another jelly. I'm basically exploring the game wall again for me, because I haven't played this game in like so long. But yeah, this is a progress for now, I think. I said I would make 2-hour videos, but yeah. We're gonna go support some. I'll buy another egg, I'll hatch it, I'll put a jelly on it. So we're gonna end up with 4 bees. And that is gonna be it for this video right now, I think. And when I'm back, when I've eaten, when I'm done from my VR, I'll be making a new video again, so I'll try my best. What are we gonna get? Honeybee. Honeybee is not bad. He's actually not bad. Feed all 6 for level 3. Okay, okay. Oh, that's OP, man. That's OP. Sunflower. Okay, maybe I'm gonna macro sunflower, man. Smart. I won't try a macro, but if it's needed, I got it, man. Yeah, this account's pretty good so far, so. Brown bear's quest. Oh. Alright, we're gonna claim the brown bear quest. Then I think I'll go off for now and go support and do that type of stuff, and then I'll resume the video in another video. So this is part 1. This is gonna be part 2, part 3, part 4. I cannot edit, so. Ooh, jelly. All the jellies are welcome. I want to do this. Okay, never mind. We're quickly gonna do this. for now. Later it will be like okay. Now, yeah, it's on the yeah, but for now it's for me, so I'm gonna collect them. We got like 4k, 100k, man. We can maybe buy another egg. Just they were coming in because they want me to go squatter now with them, so we're gonna go squash. Oh, we got a 5th egg already, man. This is going OP like. Why couldn't you go there? You cannot go there. Oh, I'll just play this game. Cool bean. Okay guys, we're gonna end the video off with 5 bees. Next video we go to over there, get some loot and stuff, loot from the bully, so we're just gonna wait for this one real quick and then we're gonna go to the next video. First, place that real quick, that would help us. Okay guys, this is gonna be it for this video, see you later, bye.